Well, I finished up my Boba Fett costume for my friend in plenty of time, and so I thought, well, since I've got plenty of time, I'll make his gaffi stick, and that will look really cool too. So over a couple of days, I've printed these things and I've assembled his gaffi stick. Yeah. I'm just gluing it all together. I'm using a little bit of a metal rod here, so I didn't have to print those parts. So a little bit of really light steel rod. And these are all PETG. I've got the beautiful knot on this thing. Oh, look at that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in a print. And 4 different printed pieces. Got a little bit of metal rod in there for to help with strength and for to aid in the attachment of it. And it has these beautiful knurled bits in here. I don't know if you can see that beautiful pattern on those. This is for the handle. Yes, it has this. So I resin printed these ones. These ones were done on my FDM printer, and I thought, well, I'd like to keep this detail without having any much sanding to do. So I've printed these in resin, pretty solid. And as you can see, it sort of will slip on. I'll have metal rods in these things, but it sort of all goes together. And I've got another few little pieces. Got little gold or brass separators between each little handle piece. There's 3 handle pieces, but I'll show you it when it's finished. So I've got a gaffi stick assembled. I'm just going to put the spike on to see how it fits. This is the spike. So I'm going to put a clear, 2K clear on this, so I can get the sort of oils and weathers. So this rod goes the whole way in through that. And it just goes in like that. Beautiful fit. And now you have Boba Fett's gaffi stick. It's quite big. So okay, so I've finished the gaffi stick. I've weathered it all up, glued it all together, and all up it took about, I think about a week to do. On and off a few hours here and there, but I'm really happy with it. The 3D file, I'll put in the description. But here it is, a little bit of a close-up. Just a very subtle weathering. Just the top section I did with acrylic paints, and this metal section below I did with oils. I like to use water soluble oil paints because it gives a really nice finish, a really authentic sort of weathered finish. But the catch with these, with the oils, is it takes about 5 to 7 days for it to totally dry before you can handle it. Whereas I did with the acrylics, you can basically within half an hour, 10 minutes, you can handle them. But that's my Boba Fett gaffi stick. Booyah!